Today I'm making my absolute favorite, my mom's spicy stir-fried squid, Ojingeo-bokkeum. The combination of tender squid and her secret sauce creates such a rich deep flavor. It's a total rice dip. Plus, you can make fried rice with the leftover sauce, so there's no food waste. The main ingredients are super simple. Today, I'm using thawed flash frozen squid. You can use Perilla leaves or cabbage, or both. The key here is the sauce. You can stick to my recipe, but feel free to adjust the seasoning to your liking. Also, keep in mind that Dashida and bouillon are the secret kicks to Korean cooking. Then, let's get started. Rinse the squid under running water and peel off the skin. Removing the skin makes the texture much cleaner. Also, make sure to wash the legs and remove the suckers. Place the prepped squid into a pan and lightly sear it. Squid release a lot of water when cooked, so pre-searing it to remove excess moisture makes the cooking process much easier. Add a splash of soju to eliminate any fish odor. See all this water coming out? By getting rid of this, helps the squid soak up all that yummy seasoning. My mom pre-blanched some perilla leaves, but you don't have to blanch them beforehand. Or you can use cabbage instead. Next, slice a quarter of an onion. Mince about 10 cloves of garlic. Chop one stalk of green onion. Add red pepper powder Gochugaru and red pepper paste Gochujang. Cut the squid into bite-sized pieces. Add black pepper, sugar, soy sauce, Dashida, bouillon, and hondashi. You can actually skip the hondashi.
It was a bit salty for my taste.
Mix everything together well so the ingredients absorb the seasoning. My mom added a bit more green onions here, but you don't have to because I already adjusted the recipe for you. Add a splash of sesame oil and mix it up. Drizzle some cooking oil into the pan and stir-fry everything over high heat. Stir-fry for about 3 minutes until the vegetables soften slightly. Don't overcook it or the squid will get tough. It needed a bit more sweetness, so mom added a touch more sugar. Adjust the seasoning to your liking as you go. Moms never use exact measurements. If you have toasted sesame seeds, toss them in. Ta-da! It's done! Just looking at it makes my mouth water. The spice and sweet sauce goes perfectly with the squid. With this, a bowl of rice disappears in seconds. Since we used the flash frozen squid, the texture is incredibly plump and tender. Now, if you have any leftovers, you can easily turn them into another meal, fried rice. Finally, chop the leftover squid and veggies with scissors. Then, finally chop some cabbage into rice-sized pieces. Drizzle oil in a pan and saute the cabbage first. It's a bit red because it touched some sauce. Now add the leftover, stir-fry a bit, and then add the rice. Using cold rice keeps it from getting mushy. Stir-fry until everything is well combined. And you're done! It tastes just like the fried rice you get after eating 닭갈비. For extra flavor, drizzle some sesame oil at the end. This fried rice made with the leftover sauce is pure bliss. One recipe, two amazing meals, you've gotta try it! If you enjoyed my mom's recipe, don't forget to subscribe and like. And comment below with any Korean dishes you want to learn. See you next time.